Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how people make money online by promoting products or services, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, its pros and cons, how and where to get started, and what to expect from this business model. Also, stay tuned for a special promo about a channel called Motivation and Finance and a sneak peek of our next video, where we'll be discussing online courses. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or businesses earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a middleman, connecting consumers with products they are interested in. Pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Now that we know the basics, let's explore the pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Pros. 1. Low startup costs. Affiliate marketing requires minimal investment compared to starting a traditional business. 2. Passive income potential. Once you set up your affiliate links, you can earn passive income as long as people continue to purchase through your links. 3. Flexibility and independence. You have the freedom to work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and choose the products or services you want to promote. 4. No customer support. As an affiliate, you don't have to deal with customer inquiries, product fulfillment, or any post-sales support. Cons. 1. Initial learning curve. It takes time to learn the strategies, best practices, and techniques to become a successful affiliate marketer. 2. Dependence on affiliate programs. Your success is tied to the affiliate programs you join, so if they change their terms or shut down, it can impact your income. 3. Fierce competition. Affiliate marketing is a popular field, and competition can be intense, especially in popular niches. How and where to start affiliate marketing. Now that you're aware of the pros and cons, let's discuss how and where to get started in affiliate marketing. 1. Choosing a niche. Select a niche that you are passionate about and where there is a demand for products or services. 2. Research affiliate programs. Look for reputable affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. 2. Popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. 3. Build an online presence. Create a website, blog, or social media accounts to establish your online presence. 3. This is where you'll promote your affiliate links and share valuable content with your audience. 4. Content creation. Produce high-quality content such as blog posts, videos, or reviews that provide value to your audience and include your affiliate links naturally. 5. Promote your content. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your content and increase the chances of earning commissions. Expectations from affiliate marketing. Before diving headfirst into affiliate marketing, it's essential to set realistic expectations. 1. Income potential. While some affiliate marketers earn substantial incomes, it takes time and effort to build a reliable income stream. 1. Don't expect overnight success. 2. Time and resources. Affiliate marketing requires consistent effort and dedication. 2. You'll need to invest time in research, content creation, and promoting your affiliate links. 3. Equipment and tools. Depending on your chosen platform, you may need a website, good quality camera for videos, or other tools to enhance your content creation process. Conclusion. That wraps up our guide to affiliate marketing. We've covered what it is, the pros and cons, how and where to get started, and what to expect from this business model. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes with patience, persistence, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. If you're interested in personal development, motivation, and finance, I highly recommend checking out a fantastic channel called Motivation and Finance. They provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you achieve your financial goals while staying motivated. You won't want to miss their inspiring content. Check link in description. Sneak peek. And be sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be discussing the world of online courses. If you're looking to expand your knowledge and skills, online courses can be a game changer. We'll dive into the benefits, popular platforms, and tips for choosing the right course. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay motivated, keep learning, and embrace the exciting possibilities of affiliate marketing. Take care and see you in the next video.